Artoonza.
In today's fun and easy tutorial, we're going to turn a plain piece of paper into a drawing of the ancient Egyptian pyramids. One of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. But watch out, MrBeast might come to see your amazing artwork. Maybe you'll even get to go on an adventure with MrBeast to explore the real pyramids in his next adventure. So let's put on our best explorer hats and begin drawing.
Wow!
No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
The pyramid's sun and palm tree. Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Yellow, white, and brown. Mix it up, mix it up. That's enough. My hands are starting to shake. Give us your like. Yellow, white, and brown again. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. That's enough, blend a hand. Color, color, color. Smash that like button now. Green. Brown. Color, color, color. This is so amazing.
Wow!
Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Hit that like button now.
Aw, so cute.
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.